Hi everybody, today we are going to make my most delicious brownies, okay. Trust me, this is the only brownie recipe you will ever need. This is so good. It's fudgy, gooey and very yummy. So these are all the ingredients which you require, and on the entire recipe is given to you in the description box. So let's quickly get started. For this recipe we need a 10 by 10 inch square tin I have taken here, and now I'm going to just grease it nicely and cover it with parchment paper. Okay, I'm just brushing the tin lightly with oil. You can use butter if you want. So as you see, I'm using two parchment sheets, okay, on top of one another like this. This will ensure that the brownies will come out properly and clean and will not get stuck to the tin. Our tin is already prepped and I have kept it aside. Now in another bowl, take the butter. And add some chopped chocolate. And now I'm going to melt this in the microwave. You can also use double boiler if you want to do. So I heated the butter and the chocolate for about 30 seconds in the microwave. If it is not melted, you can keep it for another 10 or 15 seconds. See here, I can see a few lumps of chocolate. So I am just going to put it in the microwave again for 15 seconds. Now the butter and the chocolate have nicely melted. We'll set this bowl aside and we will start with the sugar and the eggs. So in this bowl, now you have to take some castor sugar. Okay. So I'll take this castor sugar, and there are 4 eggs for this recipe, so I'll add eggs one by one to the castor sugar. Also, whenever you have eggs, do not forget the vanilla. And now I'm going to mix it together using a hand blender. So you have to mix the eggs and sugar till you cannot feel any more sugar here, okay? In your hands, it should not feel the grain of the sugar. Okay, so this mixture is now ready. Now we are going to add the chocolate and the butter mixture to the egg and sugar mixture. So just pour it in that, mix it nicely in. Now add the dry ingredients, that is the flour as well as the cocoa powder. Okay. and fold this together. So now we'll put the entire mixture in the prepared tin. I'm just adding some chocolate chips on top. Brownies will now go for baking at 180 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes. Our brownies are baked and ready, and they have been on a cooling rack for some time now. I'll just unmold them and then we'll cut and see. So did you see? Nice and fudgy brownie. Yeah, do try this recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. Happy baking to you.